In this video, we're going to be looking at converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. So when we mean a mixed number, I mean a mixture of a whole number and a fraction. So for instance, if I had 2 and 1/3. So I've got 2 whole things and then 1/3. Now, sometimes it's useful to be able to convert this into an improper fraction. Improper fraction, sometimes people refer to them as top-heavy fractions because the denominator is greater than the numerator. Now, to do this, what we're going to look at is how many thirds make up this entire thing. Now, we know that one whole thing is made up of 3/3. You can imagine one whole thing chopped into 3 pieces, and there's going to be all 3 of them to make a whole one. In that case, I know that in 2 wholes, I've got 6/3. So again, if I have 2 whole ones, and I chop them up, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thirds make 2. So in 2 whole ones, I've got 6/3, and then all I need to do is add my 1/3, because I've got an additional third on the bottom, if I can squeeze that on there. And I've just got one of those thirds there. So in total, I've got 7 thirds. Some of you might have noticed a relationship between these numbers here. Notice that the 3, the denominator, remains the same. And the 7 can be found quickly running 3 times 2 and then adding the 1. Now I'll show you how to do that the other way around to convert an improper fraction back into a mixed number. So if I start with an improper fraction, so a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator, perhaps I have 15 quarters, or 15 over 4. What this means is that 4 pieces make a whole one, but I've got 15 pieces. I've clearly got more than one whole one, because I would need 4 to make one entire one. Because I know that 4 make a whole thing, I can think about how many groups of 4 I can make out of 15. If I know my 4 times table, then I can do 4, 8, 12, but I can't get to 16. So I can make 3 whole groups, 4, 8, 12, and that leaves me with the remainder of 3 left over. So we've got 3 and 3/4.